This is the moment we've all been waiting for, a Social Security increase for all. The wait is over and the future is looking brighter. In 2023, the U.S. Social Security Administration brought significant changes to the program. Social Security payments rose by 8.7%, providing more financial support to beneficiaries. In this video, we're diving deep into the details of this long-awaited boost in Social Security benefits that are set to make a real impact on our financial well-being and the best ways to make the most of it. Let's start. Social Security is a government program in the United States that provides financial assistance to eligible individuals and their families. It's primarily designed to offer economic security and support during retirement, disability, unemployment, or in the event of a worker's death. Every October, the U.S. Social Security Administration announces its annual adjustments to the Social Security program for the following year. These adjustments are made to keep the program in line with changes in the cost of living and economic conditions. For the year 2023, there are several significant changes on the horizon. One of the most notable updates is an 8.7% cost of living adjustment. This means that the monthly benefit amounts that many people rely on, such as retirees and those with disabilities, increased by 8.7%. This adjustment aims to help recipients cope with rising living expenses and maintain their financial stability. In addition to the cost of living adjustment, there is also an increase in the maximum earnings subject to Social Security tax. This change affects those who are currently working and contributing to the Social Security system. It's an important measure to ensure the long-term financial health of the program, as it adjusts for changes in average wages and inflation. Even individuals receiving disability benefits saw an increase in their support. This boost in disability benefits is intended to provide additional financial assistance to those who are unable to work due to disabilities, helping them meet their essential needs. Social Security can help you in two key situations: retirement and unemployment. When you work, a part of your paycheck goes into Social Security. It's like saving money for your future. Once you reach a certain age, usually around 65, you can start getting that money back from the government. This is your retirement Social Security. It's helpful because when people get older, they might not be as strong or healthy as they used to be, so it can be tough to keep working and earning money. Retirement Social Security is there to make sure you still have some income to cover your basic needs, like housing, food, and medical expenses. It's a little extra support from the government when you're no longer working. Before we dive deeper, you can support us by subscribing to our channel to become a member of our community. Now, let's move on. When unemployment Social Security comes into play is when you lose your job and you're actively looking for a new one. Losing a job can be stressful, and it's not always easy to find a new job right away. In these situations, the government provides some financial help for a limited time. This assistance can vary from place to place, but the idea is to give you enough money to get by while you search for a new job. It's a temporary safety net to help you pay your rent or mortgage, buy groceries, and take care of your family until you can find employment again. You see, this unemployment Social Security isn't meant to replace your entire income. It's simply designed to provide some relief during a tough period of unemployment, because once you secure a new job, you will typically stop receiving these benefits. But how did this Social Security come about? You see, 87 years have passed since President Franklin Roosevelt signed the Social Security Act on August 14, 1935. And this program continues to stand as one of the nation's most successful, effective, and beloved initiatives. As of February 2023, 66 million people, which is roughly 1 in 5 U.S. residents, were beneficiaries of Social Security. While a significant portion of these beneficiaries are older adults, making up about 4 out of every 5 recipients, the remaining 1/5 includes individuals who receive Social Security disability insurance or are young survivors of deceased workers. Beyond the retirement benefits that Social Security provides, workers also earn life insurance and SSDI protection by contributing to Social Security through payroll taxes. In 2022, approximately 97% of individuals aged 20 to 49 engaged in jobs covered by Social Security secured life insurance coverage through this program. This shows the total support that Social Security offers to different kinds of Americans. For a young worker who earns an average income and has a spouse and 2 kids, Social Security is a life insurance policy worth almost $852,000 in 2021. This means if something happens to that worker, their family can get financial help from Social Security. In 2022, around 90% of people aged 21 to 64 who had jobs covered by Social Security were protected in case they became severely disabled. This means if they couldn't work due to a disability, Social Security would provide support. Sometimes, bad things like disability or even early death can happen, and it's more common than many people think. About 8% of new workers will pass away before they reach the age when they can retire fully. Many more will face disabilities that keep them from working. That's why Social Security is so important. It's a safety net that helps protect people and their families from these tough situations. In a significant change for 2023, nearly 70 million people receiving Social Security got the biggest boost in their monthly payments in over 40 years. This increase is because the cost of living has gone up a lot due to high inflation, and Social Security tries to keep up with that. This adjustment is based on the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, CPIW, which is calculated by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. If the CPIW shows prices have gone up more than 1% compared to the previous year, then Social Security increases the payments by the same amount. The increase for 2023 is a big one, at 8.7%. It's much higher than the increases we've seen in recent years. For example, in 2022, the payments went up by 5.9%, which was the biggest increase since way back in 1982, when benefits increased by 7.4%. Now, when it comes to claiming Social Security, the earliest you can start is at age 62. But if you start getting your payments before your full retirement age, they'll be smaller for the rest of your life. The full retirement age used to be 65, but it's been going up gradually. In 2022, it was 67. So if you want to get the full amount, you'll have to wait until you reach that age. For people born in 1960 or later, reaching full retirement age now happens at 67. If you hold off on getting your Social Security payments past your full retirement age, you can get more money than the standard amount. In 2023, the most someone retiring at full retirement age can get is $3,627, which is $282 more than in 2022. Now, here's the thing. If you keep working while getting Social Security, they might hold back some of your payments, depending on how much you make. But in 2023, they've increased the income limits. So before you hit full retirement age, you can earn up to $21,240 without any impact on your Social Security payments. After that, for every extra $2 you make above that limit, they'll deduct $1 from your Social Security payment. This year, the cap on how much you can earn without affecting your Social Security payments has gone up to $1,680 compared to 2022. So in 2023, you can make up to $21,240 before any deduction if you haven't reached full retirement age. But if you earn more than that, for every $2 over the limit, they'll reduce your Social Security by $1. This rule only applies to the months leading up to your full retirement age. Once you hit that age, you can keep working without any Social Security benefits being withheld. Now, about the Social Security tax. In 2022, workers and their employers had to pay a 6.2% tax on earnings up to $147,000. Any money you made beyond that didn't have this tax. But in 2023, that cap has gone up to $160,000. So if you're employed, you and your employer will each pay this 6.2% tax on your earnings up to that amount. If you're self-employed, you'll cover the full 12.4% of your earnings up to that limit. Let's look at the anticipated changes for Social Security in 2024. It's expected that the qualification requirements to receive Social Security benefits may become more stringent, which means it could become more challenging to qualify for these benefits. This might involve stricter criteria that individuals need to meet to be eligible for Social Security support. Additionally, high-income earners are likely to see an increase in their contributions to Social Security. This means that individuals who earn more money may have to pay a higher portion of their income into the Social Security system. It's a way to help ensure the long-term financial stability of the program. Also, for workers with disabilities, the income threshold for receiving benefits is expected to rise. This adjustment aims to provide more financial support to those who are unable to work due to disabilities, allowing them to receive the assistance they need. All these anticipated changes in Social Security for 2024 suggest adjustments aimed at preserving the program's sustainability and ensuring that it continues to provide vital support to those who rely on it. Now, you might be wondering how you can make the most out of your Social Security. You see, making the most out of your Social Security is crucial for securing your financial future during retirement. The number one thing you should do is budget wisely. While it's tempting to increase your spending with the higher benefits, consider creating a budget that ensures long-term financial stability. Allocate some of the increase towards savings or paying off debts. Also, use this opportunity to revisit your financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, covering healthcare costs, or taking a well-deserved vacation. Align your increased benefits with your priorities. Additionally, seek financial advice. Consulting a financial advisor can provide valuable insights into optimizing your newfound resources. They can help you make informed decisions tailored to your unique financial situation. Plan for the future. Consider how this increase affects your overall retirement strategy. It might open doors for more robust investments or changes in your retirement timeline. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more financial insights. Thanks for watching.